Have you ever wondered if you can actually make money from Amazon KDP without running ads? And we're going to see for the next 7 days how much I can possibly make from this account. So every sale that will be coming in from this account will now be purely organic sales. This is the 2nd of October. So now, so far we have actually made about $4.32. Let's see how much we have made for 1st of October, which was the day before. So on the 1st of October, we actually made $55.93. So this is without running ad. Now this account has 10 books that are already live on Amazon. And let's see what we can actually make for the next particular day. So far yesterday, which was on the 2nd of October, we had made $33.48. Right. So that's actually what we made yesterday. And for today, counting today, which is the 3rd, we have made about $16.52. So far so good. Total sales for the month between the first 2 days plus this particular day, which we are still counting, is $105, right? So for 2 days we have actually, or 2 days to 3 days, we have actually made $105. So let's watch and see how much we can possibly make by tomorrow. This is on the 4th of October. That's when I'm recording this. So yesterday we made $38.10, right? So that is on the 3rd of October. We made $38.10, and this money is coming from 7 books. We sold 7 books and we actually made $38.10. So that's how much we have actually made for yesterday. Let's see how much we are going to make the next day, which is on the 4th. So today so far we have made $0. We have not made any money so far. So for yesterday, let's see how much we have made. So yesterday we made $31.76. So that's how much we made for the 4th of October. And if we are going to put the total now will be $159.28. So that's total of how much we have made so far between the 1st of October to the 4th of October without running ads on Amazon. And at this point, I'm not like, did I make a mistake? Should I have not tried it? But I'm going to keep on doing the experiment to see how much we can possibly make on this account till the end of the 7 days. So now we have gotten to the 4th day. So now let's actually go and check the 5th day and see how much we have possibly made on the 5th of October. Today is on the 6th of October now, so we are going to check how much we have made so far yesterday. So yesterday we have made $39.81, right? And this is actually coming from 8 orders, right? So we sold 8 books yesterday and we made $39.81. So if we add it to what we have been making so far, let's see how much we have in total. So we are going to see how much we have in total here. So total now we have $203.30, right? So that's what we have in total. That's including the about 1 sale we have already made today. So far so good. $200 in about 5 days in total. It's not that bad if you look at it. So let's go to the next day and see how much I have made so far. So we come back to the next day. So today so far, that is 7th. We have already we have made like $9.59. So let's see how much we made yesterday, which is on the 6th of October. So yesterday we made $28.49. So $28.49. So total sales we have made so far this month will be $237.14. So that's the total sales we have actually made so far for the past 6 days. So let's check how much we are going to make for the 7th of October so that we can actually consolidate and know how much we have made so far for 7 days. So if you have not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button right now. So now for the last day, you can see this is the 8th of October. And now we are going to check how much we have possibly made so far. And now we're looking at our previous day sales. So let's see what it is. So for today, which is the 8th already, we already have $23.54. So, but let's see how much we made yesterday. So yesterday we made, how much did we make? $56.72. So that's how much we made yesterday. And total sales so far, we had made $307.53. More, remember that we had already made sales for today. So today's sales is $23.50. So if we take $23 out from 300 minus 23.54. So far in 1 week, our total sales is $283.99, right? So that's how much we made without running ads for our book. So honestly, I was not really surprised that my books could still sell even while I stopped running ads. There are actually basically 3 reasons why I knew that my books will still sell, which I'm going to share with you so that just in case you want to know how you can actually sell your book even if you're not running ads. So basically, the first reason why I knew that my books could still sell even when I stopped running ads was simply because I knew that I put a lot of effort into creating a cover that could actually stand out from my competitors in the niche that I was in. I can actually remember that there was a particular time back then when I started KDP that I did an experiment. I published the same material but with different covers. Everything was the same. The title was the same, the keyword was the same, the description was the same. The only difference between the 2 books was actually the cover. And I realized that one book actually sold like 10 times more than the other book, even though the contents were actually the same. Now you can't do that anymore on Amazon. If not, your account will get terminated. But then I did it and I realized that it is actually the packaging of the book. People thought that, okay, they are going to get more value from the book because the cover actually tells them that, okay, this book is actually very, very good. So at the end of the day, what I'm trying to say is that try as much as possible to invest time and effort into creating a cover that would actually stand out, that can call attention, so that your book can actually have an advantage over the other books that are in your niche. The other reason I knew that my book was going to sell, even if I don't run ads on the book, is because my book already has reviews, right? So I tried as much as possible to make sure that my book had reviews. So reviews are usually something that gives proof to your book, to people that want to buy, that this book is actually good. A book is more likely to sell more on Amazon when there are reviews, and the more reviews your book have, the more social proof it gathers and the more confidence it gives the buyers. So my books actually had reviews. So when somebody sees the book, even if Amazon is not promoting the book, as long as the book is ranking, because there are reviews on those particular books, people actually get to buy my books at the end of the day. So try as much as possible to generate reviews for your book, because it's actually going to help you even if you're not running ads on your book. So if you want to know exactly how you can generate reviews for your book, I'll leave a link in the description to a video that I made to teach you exactly how you can generate reviews for your book on Amazon. The last way that I knew that my book was actually going to sell even if I stopped running ads is simply because my book already has sales history. And what is sales history? Sales history simply means my book has actually been selling before. I just stopped running ads, right? So because my book has actually been selling before, Amazon already has the data of the keywords that converts best for my book. So what happens is that when somebody uses that same keyword to type on Amazon, what Amazon does is that Amazon now knows, okay, these are the books that actually convert best for this particular keyword. So they recommend my book to those people that are using that particular keyword to search on Amazon, right? So sales history is very important when it comes to ranking organically on Amazon. Your book has to build a sales history, and running ads actually help you build more sales history on Amazon, right? So because I've already run ads on this book before and my book already have sold before, when I shut down the ad, it still could sell because Amazon already knew that, okay, this book performs very well using this particular keyword. So it's not actually something that is like magic that my book could still sell, because I already knew that, okay, these things are in place, so my book could sell at the end of the day. So if, for example, you are trying to sell on Amazon, make sure that you have these factors in place, and at the end of the day, you are definitely going to be seeing sales coming for you on a daily basis. But remember that ads has a way of powering your book sales at the end of the day. So this is just an experiment to just prove that, okay, your book can actually still sell on Amazon even if you are not running ads. But at the end of the day, I do recommend that you actually run ads. And if you have not already subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button right now. And if you want to know exactly how you can actually run ads on Amazon, and you don't want to spend a lot of money but get some decent results at the end of the day, then you should watch this video here where I show you my step-by-step process that I actually use to run ads on Amazon and bring results for me.